Hey guys, it's Coach Mike, owner of Empowered Sports and Fitness, and we are back again for another movement game of the day. And the name of our game is called the Ladybug Challenge. Here is how you play. First off, what I've gone ahead and done is I've printed off an image of a ladybug. That was the first thing I did. The second thing I did was I printed off images of little black polka dots. So I'm going to show you. These polka dots on the ladybug come right off. I cut those out as well. And what I did was I took those polka dots and I put them right here on the ladybug. Okay? And just so that you know at home, I have cut out 10 polka dots. All right? So this game is all about movement and math. Okay? So you can do some addition and subtraction or even division if our athletes are learning division. But for today, for basic purposes, we're just going to stick to some addition and subtraction. Okay? So we know that we have 10 spots on the ladybug. So what you can do at home is ask your athlete, if I took away 2 of those spots, how many spots would be left? So the question is, we started with 10 and we took away 2, okay? That would leave us with 8 spots. So if the athlete answers correctly, then we can do something like 8 jumping jacks. Are you ready to join me for 8 jumping jacks? Okay, here we go. We're gonna go big X, little I, that's 1. Big X, little I, that's 2. Good jumping jacks. Big X, little I, that's 3. Big X, little I, that's 4. Big X, little I, that's 5. Big X, little I, that's 6. Big X, little I, that's 7. Big X, little I, that's 8. Beautifully done. Now, what if you asked your athlete the following question? If I took one of those spots and added it back to the ladybug, how many spots would we have now? Well, we just had 8. If we add 1 to 8, we now have 9. So let's do 9 seconds of running in place. Are you ready? 9 seconds running in place. Come and join me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Okay, so we now know that we have 9 spots on the ladybug. What happens if I take away 4 of those spots? How many of those spots do we have left? Well, that's a subtraction problem. 9 minus 4 is 5. So what I'd like to see you do at home is 5 overhead presses. So you're going to make your hands into fists. You're going to place them right here at your shoulders, and you're going to lift them up over your head. Okay? So let's go for 5 overhead presses. Ready? And go. 1 overhead press, and hands back down to the shoulders. 2 overhead presses, and down. 3 overhead presses, and down. 4 overhead presses, and down. And 5 overhead presses, and down. Okay, let's do one more. What if I added 2 spots back to the ladybug? Well, we had 5. We added 2 to the ladybug, which would make 7 spots on the ladybug. So for this, can we do 7 chops? Okay, so that means you're going to put your hands together like this. You're gonna raise them up over your head and you're gonna chop on down. Are you ready? Hands together, hands up, and chop down 1. Hands up, chop down 2. Hands up, chop down 3. Hands up, chop down 4. Hands up, chop down 5. We got 2 more to go. Hands up, chop down 6. And 1 more. Hands up, and chop down 7. So, this is a fun game. You can do this yourself at home, okay? Mixing movement, mixing math, making it fun for the whole family. Please remember to keep moving, have fun, and I will see you guys next time for our next video.